All right, guys, welcome to another Crypto Jungle. I'm your host, Tobias Brown. Today, we're going to have a look at what's been going on CoinMarketCap, and we're also going to be having a look at what's happening with the dips and what it means by the term buy the dip. Now, a lot of people in crypto probably already know what I'm talking about, but if you're new here and you want to know what that means and you're interested in finding out, well, that's what I'm going to tell you. I'm also going to cover a chart that not a few people know, but not too many. And it's going to show you why you should not be worried, even though you've got dips of what 4% in Bitcoin. Yeah, it's nothing. I mean, I've seen dips of 30% in Bitcoin. You've seen dips in 30% in Bitcoin. Guys, this train is not stopping. What's going to happen is inevitable. Okay? The price of all cryptocurrency is going to rise. This is a brand new asset class, and there are going to be millionaires made daily. You hear me? Daily. So let's get into it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. But basically, I wanted to go over FOMO and how not to FOMO and how to buy the dip. So buying the dip literally means getting altcoins at ultra cheap prices when they dump. Now, you can never time it right in terms of the bottom of something, but it's a fair bet. Not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but it's a fair bet if you would say, and this is what I do personally, if something dips by 20, 30%, it's a good chance that it's hit the bottom. If it hits any lower than that, after 30%, I start to get a bit worried about the crypto itself and the fundamentals of it. But 30%, 25, 30% on a dip, buy it if you like that particular crypto and it's down. So, for example, if there was a massive dip, I wish there was, on XRP and it dipped 20, 30%, guess what I'm doing? I'm going to be restacking my bags with XRP. I'm going to be buying more. Same with Cardano. Any project which you like. VeChain is another one I've mentioned on this channel a lot. There you go, 22% up. It's killing it. But it's had a dip. And if you got it here, you would have got it maybe 10 cents for VeChain, which isn't a bad price. So you'd be packing your bags with VeChain while other people are running for the hills. The thing is, psychologically, we have a tendency to always see something going up and think, oh, I want that. If something's going up, you're thinking, shit, I'm missing out. Well, that's FOMO. That's exactly what FOMO is, fear of missing out. So, for example, when Ripple pumped the other day, I was getting calls from people. Oh, should I get into Ripple? Oh, should I do Ripple now? I'm saying you should have got in before. Okay, but wait for a dip. And if you really want it, get in on a dip. And sure enough, it dipped down, and the people who wanted to bought in. So that's what buying the dip means. Now, this won't work if we're in a bear market. If we're in a bear market and you buy the dip, guess what? It's going to crash another 30, 40, 50, maybe even 60% after you've bought in. But in the terms of where we are, in a massive bull market, buying the dip literally saves you a fortune and stops you buying the top. And if you buy the top and then there's a dip, you are going to be crying about it. But I wanted to say this. Congratulations again to all XRP holders, because even the people that got in, if I just go to the chart here, try. Even the even the people that got in on the ridiculous GameStop pump and they FOMO'd in and they bought at 60, 70 cents on XRP, they're still smiling today. And they're still smiling and they'll continue to smile because I don't see XRP going anywhere below 90 cents anytime soon. Okay? I really, really don't. I think 90 cents is the new bottom for XRP. Maybe it have a little dip and it goes to 85 or maybe even 80, but realistically, it won't stay there very, very long. And if it does, buy it. So here we are. So this is what I'm talking about. So a lot of people were really upset because they FOMO'd in on the GameStop pump and they got wrecked. It dropped all the way down from where was our high? 62 cents all the way down to what, 22 cents? Wow, it's a big drop. But look what happened. XRP is one of those assets which just will appreciate, not only because it's in a bull run, but also because of what it is. Okay, so that said, I wanted to get into something a bit different today. So this is the Bitcoin rainbow chart, guys. Now, some of you may be familiar with this, others may not. This you can find at blockchaincenter.net, and you can actually go on this site and you can look for yourself. Now, what I wanted to talk about is where we are. So, yep, we had a dip. Dips are normal, healthy corrections. Look at this. Bang, big dip. Look at Bitcoin back in the day. Oof. But that was the start of a bear market. Okay, but even here, you can see that dips are normal. This is a bull market. Oh, people are scared. People are scared. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh dear. FOMO, 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 FOMO. Bang, drop. So where are we? Here's where we are. And if you look along the top, it has different things, different little bits that it's saying. So basically a fire sale, cheap as chips, get it now. So last time it was a fire sale was when coronavirus first became a thing. And you could have picked Bitcoin up on the 16th of the 3rd, 2020 for just under $5,000, guys. Yeah, I wish I'd done that. I did look at it. I did buy some, but I didn't buy enough. I didn't have enough money at the time, and I didn't buy enough, and I live to regret that. But I won't be missing out again because the next time this puppy goes down, then I'll be there for the fire sale. But we shall see. We're still in a bull run. There is no way in my mind that this bull run is over because look where we are in the chart. So we are now at, is this a bubble? Isn't that funny? Because that's exactly what everyone is saying. You read the news. Oh, Bitcoin, is this a bubble? Is this a bubble? Oh, is crypto a bubble? Are we in a bubble? There you go. That's what people are saying. Right now, Bitcoin will be going into the next part of this in maybe a month's time, maybe a bit sooner. So let's say we're here in about a month's time. Bitcoin will be sitting at over 70,000, 73,000. A month later, 106,000, guys. And then I reckon by about September, October this year, that's where we will be. $155,000 Bitcoin. Now think about what that's going to do to those lovely little altcoins that you've bought at rock bottom prices. Yeah, they're going to be worth quite a hefty chunk. Now, what it's telling you to do is actually giving you advice. Sell. When it reaches this point, sell. Maximum bubble territory, sell. Now, it has come out of this maximum bubble territory before. With institutional investment the way it is, it possibly could do the same. I'm not a guru on this. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody does. But, guys, if it hits 141,000, I think we'll be very, very happy. And I think all our portfolios would be doing exceptionally well. That would be a time when your mum, when your granny, when people who don't know anything about crypto are giving you calls and going, oh, when can I get in? Or I want this Bitcoin, or I want some Ripple. Well, yeah, that's when you should get out. That's when you should leave your cards and run and sell as quick as you can everything you've got to get out of it. Make your fiat and then wait for the drop all the way down. So let's say that's $26,000 Bitcoin, or even if you get it on a fire sale, you could get $20,000 Bitcoin. Do I think that's going to happen? Yeah, I do, but I don't see it happening in the same way as the cycle has repeated before. I don't see a 3-year bear market like we've just had to endure. I see a lot higher prices, and I think that this bull run could last a lot longer than people are giving it credit for. I don't think it's going to be over by Christmas. I think it's going to be going and going and going and going, and we are going to extend well above this territory. We might even hit 500,000. Who knows? But anyway, not financial advice, just a bit of information. But yeah, do yourself a favor. Don't worry If your portfolio looks a little bit shonky at the minute, it's not a problem. It's normal, okay? And we are nowhere near the top of this market. So do not fear, do not panic sell, and just remember, buy the dip. Right now is the time so you can get yourself some really cheap altcoins at rock bottom prices. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing on the channel. I'm just going to be covering a few more of those. And stay tuned for the next one, guys, because I'm going to be talking about Bidao. All right, that's it for me. I wish you all the very best. Have an awesome day. And remember to like, subscribe, and help me get the channel out to as many people as possible. Take care.